In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Davinci 19 on your computer. So we're going to start by heading over to an internet browser, and from a search engine, you just want to type in Davinci and hit enter. Then head over to this top website, blackmagicdesign.com, and then from here, we're just going to scroll slightly down the page and you'll have this section for Davinci Resolve 19. Now for the download, you'll have two different options. You can either download Davinci Resolve or we have Davinci Resolve Studio. So Davinci Resolve is basically the free application and the Studio is the one that you have to pay for. Now, in all honesty, Davinci Resolve has most of the tools and features that you need for most situations. So I would recommend just going ahead and downloading this free version here. So from this left-hand section, Davinci Resolve 19, you want to select your operating system. Now I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click on Windows x86. Then it will pop up with this window here. Now you just need to enter all of your information. Once you've filled in all of the data, click on register and download, and the download should start automatically over here. If it doesn't, you can click on this button like so. So now you'll just need to wait a couple of minutes while this Davinci file downloads to your computer. Once this download's finished, you'll then need to head over to the downloads folder on your computer, and what we're going to do is right click on this Davinci zip file, click on extract all, and then select a location of where you want to unzip this to your computer. I'm just going to leave it as the default and press extract. Once this file's extracted, you're then able to double click on Davinci Resolve.exe. Make sure you have all three of these options checked for its full features and click install, and then just go through the steps to complete the installation. So I'm going to hit next, agree to the terms and conditions and hit next, click on next again and press install. Once it's finished installing, you can hit finish, and then we can head over to the start menu and we can open up the Davinci Resolve application. Click on new project to create a new Davinci Resolve project and select create. And now you'll be able to start editing and creating your projects. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.